Hi guys, welcome back to So Cold.
It's so
just
cold.
Really cold.
In
It's
my
January
hand.
2nd. It's just really cold. Okay. First question, where do we want to travel in the US?
You want to start?
West Coast.
Yeah, definitely West Coast.
Grand Canyon, West Coast. Beach.
I want to go to New York.
I
I didn't go.
You never been to New York?
I've never been to New York.
And then, is there a way there? Or is it the...
No, you have to like turn around.
Okay, yeah. And then just see every... Oh, a squirrel! A new video. So, this time we're gonna do a Q&A.
Yeah.
Like question and answers. We just got it from Instagram and Snapchat. From our friends and like random people. So, yeah. She has no idea what I'm asking.
Yeah.
First question, where do we want to travel in the US?
You want to start?
West Coast.
Yeah, definitely West Coast.
Grand Canyon, West Coast. Beach.
I want to go to New York.
I
didn't go.
You never been to New York?
I've never been to New York.
And then, is there a way there? Or is it the...
No, you have to like turn around.
Okay, yeah. And then just see every... Oh, a squirrel! Every state, kind of.
I don't need to go to every state.
Yeah, it would be cool if I could, but it's not really... Some are not really special or, you know. Okay,
Yeah.
next one. Could you imagine to live in the USA? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Totally.
I think so. We have to go the other way.
I can't completely come here because I still have my family back, you know.
Of course.
And I couldn't do that to them, but I would like to live here. Yes. You?
I mean, I can imagine living here. But right now, I mean, I still have to go to school and everything.
Yeah.
So.
But yes, I could. Are you only friends with other exchange students, or do you have also American friends? We also have American
What do you
friends.
think?
Of course we do. But it's just really easy to like be friends with exchange students. 'Cause
Yeah.
they just know how you feel.
They know how, like.
So every time I have like a struggle in my life, I just go to her, and it's just really nice. But of course, you have other friends.
Because you go to school with other Americans. So.
Yeah. Okay. Did you already met a Troy Bolton?
No. Unfortunately.
Lily. Oh, I
not.
forgot to say the names. Okay, anyways, I will try to say the names now. No, actually not. What would happen? It's from Lily too. What would happen if you have to go now?
We have to leave, like go back to
leave,
Germany.
Yes. It would be the end of my
It would
life.
be really sad, and it would be like it would be weird. I think.
Yeah. No, I really don't want to go.
Yeah.
No, I'm not ready.
Because I
No.
know you
No.
you kind of like found friends, and you kind of. I think we got used to living here.
Should I hold it?
Yes, because
Okay.
my arm. Ugh.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a bit sick, so that's why I have a scarf on. So, yeah.
So cold.
No, I couldn't go back now. Even though I like miss my family, but I don't. Of course you do, but it's just no, I don't want to. Okay, next question. The hardest cultural thing to adjust to. That's really hard. Cultural. I think just friendships, how it works, and like relationship stuff.
Yeah.
Like being friends with boys is really different.
It's so confusing.
And then like of course that you need a car everywhere, and you just have to ask everybody.
Okay. I miss public transportation.
Me too.
I miss it so much.
Yeah. Basically, that's the hardest thing or the most significant thing.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Next one. Alicia asked a lot of questions. Oh my gosh, my arm is hurting. Okay,
wait, I can.
Or let's just change. Okay. Who is your favorite American? I can't say that.
I don't know because
I don't really have a best friend here. I have like a lot of really good friends.
You can't really have a best friend if you're only here for 6 months or 5.
Yeah, right. What does your family look like? Mom, dad, and 2 brothers, 18 and 15, and a dog. How does your family look like?
I have a host mom and a host sister, and we also have a dog.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. She's writing so much stuff. I have to pick like some questions from it. Can you teach me how to ice skate? Sure. Just let me know.
Yeah.
If you were to have a prehistoric animal as a pet, what would it be?
A what?
A prehistoric pet. I would choose a unicorn. Like animals who like which
yeah, I know.
Unicorn.
Yeah, me too. I think.
Okay. Would you feel more comfortable giving a speech in English to your German friends or a speech in German to your English friends? A speech in English to your German friends, because their English is, I think, way worse
But if
than
you
ours.
give a speech in German to English friends, they don't even understand. So you can just say whatever you want.
But
I think that I would be more comfortable with that.
I just really don't like speaking German in front of others.
Yeah, because it sounds so aggressive.
Not because of that. I don't even know why. Okay. How do you get brave enough to leave everything behind and go to your new family and new school and new everything, knowing you're gonna stick out at school and trust that everything will be fine before you go? I don't know.
You just do it. Just do it.
Because okay, so the first, like the last day, so you're like, oh my gosh, I really don't want to leave, because like when you're about to go, everything is perfect at home. That's just how it is.
Yeah.
It's like everybody loves you so bad.
Everybody's
like,
so nice to you.
Yes. That is so true. And you're like, oh, I don't really want to go. And then you're in the plane and you're like, what the heck am I doing here? And then you arrive and then you're like, okay, it's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool here.
I don't.
It's so cool. Wait, we have to like change the sides. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. You just do it. Cause like Emily is asking, what is it like living in a new country?
It's interesting and it's different.
Can't really explain in what way. There are some stuff you can say.
I mean, it's a different family.
Different? But like when just somebody asks you, is it better there or here? I'm just saying no, it's not better anywhere, because it's just, yeah.
I don't know. I think every country has its own like good things and bad.
William asked, do Germans poop bratwurst?
Maybe.
No.
Maybe. Americans, they poop burgers and steak.
I love you for that question, bro. Okay, I think that was it. I think it's gonna be long anyways. Okay, so if you have any other questions for my host family or my host dad or somebody from there, then just ask in the comments and leave us a like. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.